Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters. Today we're unboxing innovation with the 20 newest Festool tools you can find online. Let's see which ones will change the way you work. Module Edge Router. Tired of messy, wobbly edge trimming? Meet the Module Edge Router, cordless, feather-light, and perfectly balanced. It slices laminate, plastic, and veneer like a pro, keeps dust at bay, and lets you tweak depth to 0.1 millimeter. Quick cutter swaps make it so easy, you'll wonder why edges ever stressed you. Circular Saw HKC 55K. The Festool HKC 55K A 18 volts. Circular saw delivers fast, precise cuts with cordless freedom. Powered by a 5,200 RPM brushless motor and paired with Festool's guide rail system, it ensures accurate, repeatable results. Its thin 1.6 millimeter blade improves efficiency and runtime, while the kickback stop system and remote blade guard maximize safety. Domino DF 500R. Say goodbye to wobbly joints. The Festool Domino DF 500 makes edge, butt, and miter joints rock solid. Its domino joiner plus tenons equals rotation-free mortises and huge gluing surfaces. Adjustable sizing and easy indexing mean flawless joints. Stronger than dowels, faster than biscuits, and way cooler than your neighbor's DIY attempts. Planer HLC 82. Tired of slow, messy planing? The Festool HLC 82 cordless planer fixes that. Quick adjustments, chamfers, and rebates are a breeze with its brushless motor and 18-volt Lehigh power battery. Adjustable depth, dual dust extraction, and ergonomic design make smooth, precise planing almost fun. Edge Router OFKC 500. Want perfect edges without the hassle? The OFKC 500 cordless edge router is your new best friend. Its 0.1 millimeter depth precision, quick cutter swaps, and tilt-proof design make flawless routing simple. Lightweight, ergonomic, dust-free, and workpiece-friendly, it glides over surfaces while keeping everything clean and under control. Midi AC. Sick of dust taking over your workspace? The Festool Midi AC dust extractor handles it like a pro. With a 1,200 watt motor pulling 3,700 liters per minute, auto-clean filters, built-in hose storage, T-lock coupling, cable rewind, and a lightweight mobile design, cleanup has never been this easy or this satisfying. Hoses and cleaning sets. Festool hoses and cleaning sets provide efficient dust extraction and convenient maintenance for power tools. The hoses are designed for maximum airflow and flexibility, ensuring effective dust removal directly at the source. Cleaning sets include attachments and accessories to keep tools, machines, and workspaces free from dust and debris, extending tool life and maintaining optimal performance. Air Purifier Sys-Air. Tired of dust hanging around? The Sys-Air air purifier has you covered. Lightweight at just 10 kilograms, it delivers up to 400 cubic feet per minute, refreshing rooms up to 57 square meters 3 times an hour. Adjustable airflow and smart 3-way vents keep dust down without stirring a mess. Guide rail system. The Festool guide rail system enables highly precise cuts and grooves with smooth, reliable guidance. It features a slideway lining for effortless machine movement, a groove for screw and lever clamps, and splinter guards for clean, splinter-free edges. Adjustable guidance jaws allow zero-play alignment with circular saws without tools, while the router guide stop ensures accurate grooves. Multifunction table. The Festool Multifunction table is a versatile workstation designed for precision, flexibility, and convenience. Its aluminum profile securely holds guide rails and angle stops, while the perforated plate allows various clamps to fix workpieces safely for accurate machining. The table height of 90 centimeters provides an ergonomic working position. Carrying harness. The Festool carrying harness supports the weight of the sander during overhead work, allowing continuous and ergonomic operation while protecting the user's health. It is fully adjustable to fit any user and offers simple, tool-free attachment and removal. Designed for convenience and comfort, it is compatible with the Festool Planex drywall sander. Festool of 1010R. Plunge router. Need precision without the bulk? The Festool of 1010R. Plunge router is compact, lightweight, and accurate to 0.1 millimeter. With a smart chip deflector, dust stays in check. Quick cutter changes, double column clamping, and guide rail compatibility make clean, stable routing effortless. Your edges never look this good. EXO18 exoskeleton. The Festool EXO18 exoskeleton is an active support system designed to make overhead work easier and less tiring. It helps prevent long-term overload, reduces fatigue, and allows you to stay focused and work more efficiently. With 3 working areas and 5 adjustable support levels, it adapts to different applications. CXS TXS 12 cordless drill. Tired of wrestling with drills? The Festool cordless drill makes it easy. Compact and lightweight, its brushless EC Tech motor packs power, and the ergonomic C-handle keeps you steady and comfy. Fast Fix lets you switch between drilling, driving, and angled work in seconds. No tools, no stress. Tabletop Systainer. Need a portable, no-nonsense workspace? The Festool Tabletop Systainer packs a sturdy work surface and smart storage in a SYS one-size package. With 13 clamping points, a V-groove for round stock, non-skid strips, and 50-kilogram capacity, it keeps materials secure while storing your tools. Work anywhere, stress-free. Roll Dolly. Roll Dolly is designed for easy transport of tools and accessories on the job site. Equipped with large 7 7/8-inch casters and stair climbing strips, it moves smoothly across different surfaces without scuffing floors. It can carry up to 220 pounds of Systainers and sortainers, with an additional drawer for small parts. Worklamp. Worklamp delivers bright, even illumination with 6 high-intensity LEDs and a 170-degree light spread, making it ideal for tight spaces, cabinets, attics, or outdoor work. Its impact-resistant, shatter-proof housing ensures durability, while the compact design includes a hanging hook and tripod mount for versatile use. Toolbox. The Festool Toolbox features an open-top design for quick and easy access to hand tools and essentials. It is compatible with both classic and T-lock Systainers and can be securely attached to Festool dust extractors using the Sys-Dock system, making it a practical and portable storage solution. Domino Tenons. Domino Tenons are made from solid beech hardwood for strong, long-lasting joints. They measure 4 by 17 by 20 millimeters and feature a flat, non-rotating shape with embossed glue pockets for secure adhesive bonding. They are ideal for furniture, cabinetry, casing, and framework on both plywood and solid wood. Sanding pads. Festool sanding pads deliver professional sanding results with maximum dust extraction. The multi-jet stream system, combined with mobile dust extractors, removes dust efficiently, even at the edges. Optimized airflow prevents dust buildup on the sanding surface, allowing clean, healthy, and precise sanding. They are ideal for achieving smooth finishes while maintaining a safe and dust-free working environment. That wraps up our tour of Festool's latest gear. Thanks for hanging out with the Chop Busters. Until next time, keep your cuts clean and your tools sharp.